We are the team number 5.
And we are going to do an interview about ecology in the North Power.
Here we are in the nursery. There's all of us, and we are going to start. Do you know what is ecology?
Más o menos.
Could you tell me what is?
Ecología es todo lo que nos todo lo que está hecho para el medio ambiente, por ejemplo, para conservar el medio ambiente. Bueno, creo yo, ¿no? Por ejemplo, la ecología es todo lo que nosotros hacemos para conservar las áreas naturales, o sea, para preservar, creo yo.
Yes.
I think that.
Do you know what is an habitat?
El hábitat es todo lo que, bueno, donde todos los seres coexistimos, ¿no? Por ejemplo, cada especie o cada ser vivo tiene un hábitat específico. O sea, me imagino que es por donde todos encuentran su lugar y su espacio en el medio ambiente.
And do you know what are the biotic and abiotic factors?
No, I don't know.
Well, the
Can you
biotic
explain me?
yes, the biotic factors are the living beings in the environment. For example, animals and plants. And abiotic factors are the things that are non-living things. Sorry for this. Huh.
Okay.
Like water, rocks,
temperature.
and things like that.
Well, the ecology is the study of our environment, from the Greek oikos and logic. And the ecology is a science, but this science needs an approach. So, do you know some kind of approach or organization that ecology has?
Yes, but I don't know exactly one. Por ejemplo, Greenpeace, no sé si es una empresa.
It's an institution that
Okay.
ways to approach and reasoning.
Bueno, es que muchas empresas ahorita se jactan de ser ecologistas, ¿no? o de tener ese tipo de, por ejemplo, Coca-Cola, ¿no? Porque tienen sus partes o variables que son o que reciclables, y eso, pero en realidad no lo son, ¿no? Pero en sí una no se me viene ahorita a la cabeza.
The ecology has 4 types of organisms. The first one is the individual study of individuals. It's the study of just one kind of species. The second one is the population ecology, where it's a study of a set of population of certain species. The third one is the community ecology. It studies the interaction between the different set of populations, like the relation between cats and rats. You know, there is more cats, there is less rats. And the community ecology, no, the ecosystem ecology studies all the relations between all the populations and the environments that it has.
Okay.
Well, the ecology, it's a science, so it needs a certain way to proceed. There are 4 ways. Do you know that there are called branches of ecology? Do you know what some branches of ecology?
No, I don't know.
The branches of ecology are 4 too. There is the autoecology, that studies the relation between the individuals, like one species, with the environment, and the environment with the species. There is the synecology, that studies the relation of the sets of population, and the environment, just one group, like how the humans affect the certain area, like the forest around us. There is the population ecology that studies the relations between populations and the environment. I think that like with the example of cats and rats, we can say that there is a relation between cats and rats, but the environment is also related with the ecosystem we have. The last branch of ecology is called the ecosystem ecology. This studies the difference between mass and energy through species and environment, like the trophic chain, or the food sources, or the energy for the plants. And let's continue.
Okay, my turn. Do you know what's an emergent property? No.
Can you repeat me?
Do you know what's an emergent property?
Propiedades emergentes.
Yes.
¿En base a qué?
In this case, two groups.
¿Estudios grupos?
Yes.
No.
Well, they are based on like a type of classification in this case. For example, this classified is to size, depending the size of the
Okay,
group.
okay.
That's what I try to mean. Also the density that it has, and also if they are the distribution that it has, because there are three types. Like there's a random that there's not a specific pattern, and there's the aggregate that they are classified by line, series,
Okay.
all of
yes.
those types, and the uniform that they are only one, like separate in this case. And also I forgot what it is. Okay.
And the difference between the different populations, like what makes this population unique from this one. There are the emergent properties.
Okay. What do you think they can be classified as a population? I mean, what do you think?
¿Qué creo yo que es la
¿Cómo se
¿Cómo
clasifican?
las especies? Yo creo que bueno, normalmente se clasifican en mamíferos, no sé si a eso te refieres.
Más o menos. Más o menos.
O por ejemplo, si en cuanto a su medio ambiente, por ejemplo, si son silvestres o domésticos, no sé si en
Okay,
eso
you
más o
gonna
menos.
leave it away.
Okay.
Well, also they can be counted as the birth rate, how they are born, or mortality rate,
Ok.
immigrant rate.
Ok. O sea, en cuanto a su mortalidad,
Sí.
en cuanto a su nivel de migración.
Yes. Yes. Sí, sí.
Well, the next part is the I missed part, but she's sick, so she can't talk.
Okay.
We're studying more the population ecology. So, do you know what's population?
¿Qué tan popular?
What is a population?
¿Cuál es la?
¿Qué es una población?
¿Qué es una población? Ok. Una población es un grupo de individuos, ¿no? Que están clasificados o que se pueden clasificar conforme, pues, sus edades, sus tallas, sus edades, su estilo de vida, en dónde están localizadas. Me imagino que es, no sé si a eso te refieres.
Yeah, it's something similar, but that is more than human populations.
Okay.
And in ecology, populations are more like the species that share a common area and can breed within them.
Okay. O sea, ¿cómo interactúan entre ellos?
No.
¿O cómo
A
es
population is a group of
el grupo?
animals
Ujú.
or living beings that share a common area, and they are the same species.
Ujú.
That's a population.
Okay.
In summary.
En ecología. Es que, pues, en estadística es un poquito diferente.
Okay, so do you know which are the divisions of environment?
Can you show? O sea, lo que ustedes me acaban de mostrar, ¿no? O de
No,
explicar.
there's another ones. But do you know them or?
All environments are classified.
Ah, ok. Can you tell me?
Okay, it's divided into parts, biotic and biotic. Like
Okay.
they already told you, biotic is life.
Mm-hmm.
So are the living things that you can find, like birds, plants, or those things. And abiotic are all the non-living things, like rocks, temperature, and all those things. Sound.
It's like
That one he's wearing.
Sound.
Environments have different characteristics.
okay.
An environment is where a common place where the living beings are together. So there is the last part. Do you know? Esa era la parte. Sí, era tu parte.
¿Qué yo pasé?
No, ya nos confundimos todos.
Sí, ¿verdad? Improvisation.
La parte de Sebastián.
Well, do you know why there isn't a huge amount of animals or living beings? Like, what control the growth rate of them
¿Qué tipo de control hay entre,
in the same nature?
entre los que me acabas de diferenciar?
No, into populations. Why there isn't a huge amount of cats and huge amount of rats and so on?
En cuanto a la estadística, o sea, de cuánta población animal, no me imagino, hay en cada ambiente.
Why it's huge? What limits it, the growth?
¿Me puedes explicar qué es lo que me acabas de repetir?
¿Por qué no crecen enormemente?
Ok. Porque los humanos han estado depredando, ¿no? el medio ambiente de los animales. Y me imagino que no, en lugar de hacerlos crecer, estamos limitando su espacio. Y no, por eso no han desaparecido muchas especies.
It's partly like right. There are some characteristics that make the population don't surpass the overgrowth. They divide into abiotic factors and biotic factors, like we already mentioned. But the abiotic factors are the biotic conditions that limit the population, like they are usually called natural disasters or other things like strong winds, earthquakes, floods. The biotic factors are the limits that the same population has. Like there is 5 types: the competition, the neutrality, the commensalism, the mensalism, and the depredation. And each one of these limits the growth of the population. So this is why there isn't a huge amount of something.
Es verdad. Sí. Yo solo estaba considerando una. Y sí, hay muchas.
Well, thanks for your time. This is our interview.
Thanks.
Another thing,
And I'm sorry, but my English is bad.
don't worry about that.
It's not good.
Okay. Well, the interview was a little bit uncomfortable because when we were talking about, she a lot of English, so we had to explain her the topic that she understood. Okay. We learned that ecology is more than just taking care of the world around us.
We also learned about the relation between the factors that rules our environment.
We need to teach the people about the importance of taking care of our planet and educate the people who are ignorant and unconscious about what's happening in our planet, because some people don't believe that climate change is a thing, and it's really affecting our generation, and it's going to affect more the future generations that are going to live on our planet.